have used the word why, right? Come, let's know about a little boy who is always curious about to know why this happens, why that happens. So, let's move to the poem and know about it. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by the by. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you'll try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. So, this was all about the poem. Now, let us move to the summary of this poem. So, this poem is about a curious boy who wants to know the reason behind everything he sees around. He is curious about the fact why log of woods swim by but marble and lead sink. Again, he asks the reason behind the shining sun and blowing wind. Moreover, he also has questions about why do we drink and eat. In the third stanza of this poem, the curious small boy asks the clouds are made of what and why they move across the sky. Further, the boy makes queries about why the sun sinks behind the mountains and also the cause of death of flowers. In the last stanza, the poet says that although some questions are easy to answer, rest do not have any reason.